Hello, I'm Piyush Sharma, EFN CS276, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sequence diagram. So, what is a sequence diagram? Okay, so it is a construct of a message sequence chart. A sequence diagram shows object interactions arranged in time sequence. It depicts the objects and the classes involved in the scenario and the sequence of messages exchanged between the objects needed to carry out the functionality of the scenario. Okay, so this is the algorithm, and I'll show you how to make a sequence diagram on conference management system. Okay, so the description: sequence diagram is interaction, the same thing as I told you. What are the main parts of a sequence diagram? Which is an object. Objects are instances of classes and are arranged horizontally. The pictorial representation for an object is a class with the name prefixed by the object name and a semicolon. Then actor, lifeline, activation, message. Messages modeled as horizontal arrows between activations indicate the communications between objects. Then self-message. Self-message occurs when an object sends a message to itself. And recursive message. Self-message occurs when an object sends a message to itself within recursive scope. Scenario of the application. In sequence diagram, one has to draw the sequence on the basis of scenarios, whereas the actors would be the objects, and the objects will be connected to a lifeline. And when one passes message such as what operation to be done through the scope, which contains some time operatives. In my sequence one, I have created 4 sequence: example, login, submit paper, download paper, and review. Okay, so I'll show you. This is submit paper, login, submit paper, it will go directly to the server, it will come back and store the paper. Then review, login, download the paper, search, check, verify, and then again download the paper. And this is you submit the paper, it will go to the reviewer, he will review the paper, he will send the paper to the conference, not conference, he will send the confirmation to the editor, and the editor will send the comments to the candidate. And for the basic thing is login, it will go to the server, it will check whether there is an account or not, again it will verify and it will acknowledge it. So this is how a normal sequence diagram works. Functionalities of the sequence diagrams used: login, submit paper, download paper, and review. As I told you, it has 4 parts. Conference management system has 4 parts for sequence diagram, and that's it. Thank you.